Ever feel like the world is one giant WhatsApp group and you're the only one who hasn't muted it yet? Life can get overwhelming. But what if I told you that positivity isn't a personality trait? It's a skill. And today, I'll share 6 golden nuggets from Norman Vincent Peale's timeless book, The Power of Positivity, that changed my life, especially during moments when I felt like giving up. So, let's go. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a motivational speaker, an interior designer, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. So, what is the first nugget? Believe in yourself and what you can do. Sounds simple, right? But I remember when I started my interior design firm, people said, you studied differently with a commerce and an economics background and all the other qualifications. An interior design business, just because you think you're creative and artistic, you can't succeed in it. They meant I'll be a failure. But I kept repeating this one line to myself. I can do all things through belief and effort. And effort I did. I learned the subjects. I learned from people around me, the carpenters, the masons, the other fellow colleagues. And you know what? Slowly that belief turned into bookings. Positivity begins with permission. Your own permission to shine. Nugget number 2. Expect the best and get it. Expectations isn't just hope, it's preparation. Before big meetings, before everything I do, I would visualize everything going wrong. I would think like projector failing, clients frowning, even me spilling chai on my own design. Everything negative. But now, I visualize smiles, connections, success. And you know something? 8 out of 10 times, that's exactly what happens. Why? Because your energy introduces you before you speak. Number 3, make enthusiasm a daily habit. I write down one thing I'm excited about every morning. Yes, every morning. It could be anything, as simple as maybe looking forward to a great breakfast. Positivity isn't about being fake happy. It's about training your mind to notice the good even on a cloudy day. Tip number 4, change your thoughts and you change your world. Yes, during a really tough phase, I was stuck thinking nothing ever works out for me. Then I tried Peele's technique. Every time a negative thought came, I'd replace it with a positive one. Nothing works out became I am learning what will work. It felt silly at first, but slowly my world shifted, and so will yours. Number 5, fill your mind with peace and confidence. You can't pour from an empty cup. I began a simple morning ritual. 5 minutes of silence, deep breathing, and one sentence. I am enough, I have enough, and I do enough. Try it for 7 days. You will walk taller, speak calmer, and stress a whole lot less. So don't take life too seriously. Laugh more. Yes, that's the 6th nugget. Once I wore mismatched shoes to a client's meeting. I laughed with them, not at myself. And guess what? That was the client who gave me the biggest project of the year. When you laugh, you lift. Positivity isn't about perfection. It's about perspective. So, here's your takeaway. Believe in yourself. Expect the best. Be enthusiastic. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Practice peace. And yes, laugh at mismatched shoes. Remember, Positivity is not about ignoring problems. It's about facing them with the mindset that you are bigger than your obstacle. If I could stay positive through the storms, I promise you can too. So, which one did you like the best? Share it with me. And till next time, I believe in you. I love you. Keep smiling.